Okay, here he said which one is greater, 3 power by 33 or 2 power by 55. Okay, here we have something which is common between them, that we have the powers, we can divide them by 11. Okay, so here we will divide it by 11 and here by 11. If we divide here by 11, it will be 2 power by 3, 3 power by 3, and if we divide here by 11, it will be 2 power by 5. Okay, and then get the value of them. 3 power by 3, which is 27, and the 2 power by 5, which is 32. So which one is bigger? Which is 2 power by 5, so this value will be bigger. Here we have four alternative numbers which they added to each other and gives us 56. What is the last one? Alternative, which is meaning x and x plus 2 and x plus 4 and x plus 6. Okay, if we add them to each other, so we will add them to each other, they give us 56. Okay, so 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. Okay, so they are 4x. 2 plus 4, which is 6, 6 and 6, which is 12, gives us 56. Okay, so 4x equals 56 minus 12, so 4x equals 44. Okay, so x equals to 11. Okay, طيب, he wants the last one. Okay, the last one, which is x plus 6. Okay, so 11 plus 6, which is meaning it will be 17. So the answer will be 17. Next one here, how many 9 times 9 box will fit into a box of area which is 81? Box 9 times 9, which is meaning 9 times 9. Okay, how many of them will fit in the area of 81? The area is 81. Okay, and if we get the area of this box, which is 9 times 9, it will be the same 81, so it will fit only one box. Next one here, we have sequence which is 3, 5, 9, 17, 33, and we want to complete it. Okay, so the next one, it will be what? Okay, here we multiplies 2, here we multiplies 4, here we multiplies, which is 8. Okay, and here we adding 16. Okay, so here we will add. Okay, we notice that each time we times by 2, we times by 2, we times by 2, so 16 times by 2, which is 32. So we will add now 32. 32 plus 33, it will be 65, so the answer will be 65. Next one here, we have 6, 9, 18, 21 and 42. Okay, how can we get it? Okay, we have here a term which is not found. Okay, and then he wants the last term. Type 9 times 2, which is 18. 21 times 2, which is 42. So 45 times 2, it will be 90. Next one here, he said that 3 power by 15, 4 of them, divide by 3 of power by 15 plus 3 power by 15. Okay, so we can take common factor from the first one. Okay, so it's meaning that here it's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, dividing by the same, we will take 3 power by 15 from them. Okay, so it's meaning that we have 1 plus 1. Okay, this one will go with this one, so we have here 4 over 2, which is meaning the answer will be 2, so the answer is 2. Next one here, Ahmed has 119 paper reals. Okay, they are 119, and he has 5, here is 10 paper. Okay, reals, but he has 5 more 10 reals paper than the 5 reals. Okay, so if the 5 reals are x, it's meaning that the 10 will be more than it by 5, which is meaning x plus 5. So x plus 5 equals 119. All of them be adding to each other will be 119. So 2x equals 119 minus 5. So 2x equals to 114. So the x equals, we will divide by 2, which is meaning 57. Okay, type he wants to know how many they are all in reals. Type x, which is 4, 5. Okay, x, which is 4, 5, which is meaning how many 5 reals we have? We have 57, so we will times it by 5. Okay, and the 10 reals, they are the same value, but we add to it 5. Okay, so 57 we will add to it 5. Okay, which is meaning it will be 62. So the tens are 62 times 10. Okay, 62 times 10, which is 620, which equals to 285. Okay, and then we add them to each other to get all of them, which is meaning 905. So the answer will be 905. Next one, here we have a square root of x minus 5 equals 3. Okay, and he wants to get x. If we have a square root, so we will square the two parts. Okay, if we square this one, it will cancel the square root, which is meaning x minus 1. And if we square the 3, it will be 9. So x equals 9 plus 5. Okay, which is meaning 14. So the answer will be 14. Next one, here he said which one is greater, 10 or x. X, which is here. Okay, here we have 8.1 and here we have 6.2. Okay, if we round them, which is meaning 8 and 6. Okay, by using the Pythagorean theory, we will square them to get the x, right, which is meaning 100, and then take the square root of it, which is meaning 10. Okay, so x by rounding equals 10. Okay, but they are more than, yani here we have 6.2 and here we have 8.1, which is meaning that the answer will be bigger than 10. Okay, so which one is bigger, 10 or x? No, it will be x. Okay, next one, here we have 2x plus half y equals 21 and y equals to 3 over 4x equals 18. He wants to get y plus x. Okay, it's very complicated, but we should solve it. 2x plus half y equals 21. Okay, so we want to cancel the fraction, so we will times it by 2. Okay, so here we have 4x plus y equals 42. Okay, so the value of y, which is 42, minus 4x. Okay, so here we have the value of y. Next we have the second equation, which is y plus 3 over 4x equals 18. So we will times it by 4. Okay, so 4y plus 3x equals 272. Okay, so we will replace the value of y by this value. Okay, so now we have 4 times 42 minus 4x plus 3x equals to 72, and then times 4 by the inside brackets. 4 times 42 equals 168. Okay, plus 3x equals 72. Okay, and then solving the numbers with each other. So 3x equals 72. Here we have 4 times 4. Okay, which is 16x. Okay, we have here negative 16x. Okay, so we will solve negative 16x with 3x. Okay, which is negative 16 plus 3, which is meaning negative 13. Okay, so to get x, we will complete the other one, which is 72 minus 168. Okay, so we will divide by 13, right? Because here we have negative 13x and here we have 96. So we will divide by 13. So x equals to 7 nearly. Okay, by rounding. Okay, so the value of x is 7. Then we will replace it here to get y. Okay, type. So x equals 7. We will replace it to get y. Okay, so y equals 42 minus 4 times 7. Okay, so 4 minus 7, which is 28. So 42 minus 28 okay, equals to 14. So y equals to 14 and x equals to 7. Okay, if we add them, he wants x plus y, so 14 plus 7. If we add them to each other, it's nearly 20. Okay, because it's by rounding. So which one is near to it? Which is 19. Okay,